In this video that I will tell you that how to blend using graphite pencils. You can buy Artline pencils, they are good for shading. Or you can buy Faber-Castell black matte pencils. If you want to purchase them, I will give link of them both in the description. For now we will use Faber-Castell pencils. We will start with shading. You can see my how to shade video on my channel. Now we will start blending. You can use a blending stump or a cotton. You can also use a earbud. After the blending is done, look at how smooth the surface has become. This is the cat I am currently drawing. I have done blending on it many times layer by layer. I will post video of it later on my channel.